Everybody is well aware now of the gap. They're aware of the skills that are missing. These are coming now around artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics. It's becoming more prevalent in the industry, in every part of the supply chain. Everybody's aware of that. Everybody is working on it. But maybe the thing that's missing is a bit more collaboration, linking up, making sure that we have a bigger force across the region of driving the solutions to this problem. You know, an image campaign to our younger generation to make sure they understand fully, you know, what they can do in the semiconductor industry. It's an industry that underpins every aspect of modern day life, work, rest and play. To that extent, teachers in the classroom are really important. So I outlined in my talk an instrument that we've been running in Ireland that focuses on the new generation of STEM teachers coming into the classroom. They have an industry experience, 12 weeks paid internship in their final summer vacation before they enter into the career. And then they know how they can be hands-on with the kids, giving them fun things to do, you know, the technology and the engineering in the classroom. But really important is the ability for them to actually articulate what the industry actually is, because they've seen it, they've done it, they've lived it. So that's one of the things I mentioned. The other thing really was around micro-credentials, you know, how we might share those across the region between universities, but also they're commonly used today for upskilling and reskilling, you know, professional talent already in the industry. But let's pull them back into the undergrad courses in the universities as well, so that the talent coming through are more prepared to enter. So that, in a nutshell, was what I presented. I did it in with the overall focus on the EXA project that SEMI is currently involved in and is coordinating. EXA stands for European Chip Skills Academy, and all of the activity in that project is all about trying to get student attention, awareness and excitement about coming into the industry.